Welcome to part 2 of the webinar series about on-site quality control. Last time we talked about what on-site quality control is and established that it needs some improvements that our research scientists looked into, which will be the topic of this video. Here's the agenda for today's video. First, let us explore the benefits that we can expect from automated quality control. Then, we will go over two of our different solutions and their problems, as well as the resulting insights, before reviewing what our research scientists produced when utilizing everything that we have learned. What we hope to achieve by gradually automating the process of on-site quality control is to create a technological foundation that will hopefully make it easier to one day automatically measure products disregarding of their shape and size, preferably without the need for much human input that requires specialized know-how. We can reach that goal by utilizing the inherent benefits of automatization, such as much more consistent measurement process at much greater speed. The data that is consistently gathered over long periods of time can be analyzed to further improve our understanding of quality-relevant factors and can enable us to more easily predict future errors. Combined with the ability to collect and trace data at every step along the way, we can in turn expect an overall increased throughput. The first thing our research engineers did was to utilize an industrial robot to automatically move every product through an optical laser micrometer device immediately after production is finished and collected all process and quality data. With the measurement only taking close to 1 minute, less than the production of a part, no additional time was added to the process. Afterwards, that data was carefully inspected by both humans and data processing algorithms to derive meaningful conclusions about the manufacturing process. After comparing the data from several batches, it was found that the wear of the cutting tool used was visible in the collected measurement data. Additionally, machining-related factors such as feed rate and spindle speed also impacted the shape of the resulting data. This implies that it might be possible to teach a system to automatically react to changes in factors such as tool wear and to adapt its parameters accordingly to keep product quality constant. The issue that was ultimately the most prominent was the repeatability of the industrial robot, which was unable to consistently insert the parts perfectly horizontal into the laser measurement grid, causing the data to shift unexpectedly. Whenever this happened, it would be quite hard to derive the same meaningful information from the data. That is why, in this second round, we focused on removing this data uncertainty in order to make the data even more consistent and easy to use. From the same turning machine you saw in the previous slide, the industrial robot palletized a batch of parts onto an autonomously guided vehicle, and after making its way across the hall, a collaborative robot is utilized to place the parts onto a fixture of an optical and tactile coordinate measurement machine. This resulted in a complete removal of all uncertainties and inconsistencies from the measurement data, along with a slightly more accurate quality measurement. While the automatization of the measurement machine itself took up to most of the time spent on this project, the end results were satisfying, and it is guaranteed that this process, given stable lighting conditions, can run 24/7. However, the drawback of palletizing, depalletizing and transporting the batches back and forth means a massive time consumption, resulting in roughly 15 minutes of part handling. Combined with the measurement time for one single part being 10 minutes and the batch size being 42, the only benefit over doing it the traditional way would be a reduction in manpower. By using the knowledge from the previous two project iterations, the optical measurement machine was fitted with a small lift platform capable of moving a part vertically throughout the laser measurement grid while keeping it perfectly horizontal. An industrial robot can then place a product on the lift platform that then negates all placement inaccuracies and makes the quality measurement repeatable and accurate. The speed of the first approach, as well as the repeatability and stability of the second approach, were achieved and subsequently evaluated in batch productions. For small parts, a setup like this can offer a compact, portable, and easy to set up quality control solution. On the other hand, months of research resulted in a level of complexity that led our researchers to question the usability of the system, which, as we discussed before, should be a main focus of automated quality control. For that reason, a software was developed that can enable users of any knowledge level to operate it. The resulting software makes it possible to enable a user to generate a measurement routine and report in as little as 2 minutes, with a subsequent measurement time of approximately 1 minute. These methods can be applied to customized products or objects of unknown geometry alike, and we hope that with this research we can relieve the aversion towards the production of small lot sizes and highly customized products. We really hope you enjoyed this webinar series about on-site quality control, and we would love for you to tune in to our next webinar series. Be sure to check out our social media as seen on the right. To bypass the wait time between webinars, why not watch one of our previous webinars to educate yourself about current topics?